Maybe it's not your English that's bad. Maybe it's your accent that's bad. And maybe if you improve your accent, Americans or native speakers will understand you more easily, and you can understand native speakers more easily. Go check out this episode on my podcast about the secret to speaking better English and understanding English more easily.
How each word connects to the next word, because in English, and probably in every language, we don't say or we don't speak word by word by word. No, it's like chunks of words together. We say them all together sometimes, or certain words are connected together, and when we speak, they're all connected. Let me give you an example. They tell me that I'm easier to understand. They tell me that I am easier to understand. They tell me that I am easier to understand. They tell me that I am easier to understand. You see, the last part or the last sentence